Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Today in this video we will see about errors and exception in Java. So what are basically errors? So what you can call as errors and how they are how we can differentiate errors and exception in Java. So to start with the topic, there is something called as errors. We can explicitly define as errors and some thing that we can explicitly define as exception in Java. As you can see in front of the screen, there is a diagram that is representing object hierarchy is famous in Java, starting with the object class at the top of the hierarchy. It is followed by down the line throwable at the second level. After that comes the errors and exceptions as two different classes categories you can call errors and exception, and they can be again different again classified into errors. Errors are like stack flow error is there and out of memory error is there, and also in our exceptions we do have runtime exceptions and other exceptions. So errors as somewhat different means stack overflow error causes the program to stop. So what basically errors cause the normal uh, execution of the program to flow to stop, and in doing while doing coding you may encounter stack overflow error or out of memory error. Out of memory error is specifically associated with the memory problem. Suppose your program requires more memory than the allocated, then you may need to explicitly specify by the JVM setting by using the command line prompt, or you may change the setting to explicitly increase the memory, be it on server or for explicitly on the IDE, you need to specifically increase the memory. So errors are these like stack overflow error, out of memory error, assertions error are the kind of different kind of errors in Java. Now come the topics of exceptions. So what is exception? So exception basically can be defined as abnormal termination of a normal executing flow of the program. So program as expected does not result into the expected result, does not gives us the expected result, but it causes the abnormal termination of the program. Now, this is classified into runtime exception and compile time error. The other exception you can consider as compile time exception. So this is about exceptions. So exception means runtime exceptions are exceptions means that occur runtime, like array index out of bound exception, null pointer exceptions. These kind of exceptions I'm telling, for example, these are runtime exceptions. We say it as runtime because we cannot do compile time checking for this type of exception, and you necessarily need to handle this condition in your code to overcome the exception. So that is about runtime exception, and other exception in compile time checking exception like IO exception. In IO exception is a broader category in which you can encounter like find not found exception. There is class not found exception. These are type of compile type checking exceptions. So this video was all about errors and exception in Java as a whole. In my next video, I'll surely explain them in detail and how to handle exceptions in Java. This is definitely important topic and must learn for every Java programmer. So bye for now. Keep it liking, subscribing, hashtag me. I'll surely keep this doc on my path path of the GitHub. So bye for now.